Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our video. Hope you guys are doing well today. Just want to give you guys a quick video. Of course, just want to say I'm very sorry for the lack of uploads that I've been having throughout July and of course the start of August as well. And pretty much is really the explanation I give you is just really the lack of, I mean, not the lack of work, but the overhaul work that we have in the shop. Pretty much stopping me from not really recording any type of update videos as well, but also some other things as well. I was really getting started into school, getting back to community college in a couple of days. So I just really want to get my classes sorted and organized, and also being paid and also getting payments of what the classes as well. So yeah, there's so much things, of course, that's going throughout my pretty much my life at the moment. So I just do want to say I really am sorry for all the lack of pretty much videos that I uploaded in the channel. So I do want to say that. But also another good news as well. This bad boy, this GR86 that we of course successfully finished now. Pretty much really is this car is just really need to be expected again. From the NCDMV, which pretty much in North Carolina, which I live. We get re-inspected again, and hopefully we can get a check mark that we can get this car back on the road, of course, and be my favorite daily driver car, of course. So I am really excited for that as well. But also, just want to give you guys a quick video how much things that we went through with this car, and just really showing you some photos that we have as well. So if you guys do like these videos, of course, drop a like and also subscribe if you're seeing this car. I mean, seeing this video as well the first time. Go check out the other videos as well. And yeah, let's get right into it. So pretty much, just really a photo. This is pretty much the last photo on my gallery. At pretty much soon, or pretty much updated, or last photo I took and last upload I had in my computer. So of course, this car looks so good in the sun. Of course, track red, of course, on this car. Uh, yeah, I just really expected. Well, really expected this car to be a very fun rebuild as well that I did throughout the summer, and it paid off really well. And also some other things as well that you might do see is some other things you see is this bumper. So we actually installed the bumper as well, but we took it off because the condenser wasn't here yet. We didn't order that, but oh, excuse me. Well, we got the condenser already in. I'm gonna have another video tomorrow, tomorrow to really show you some other things as well, and pretty much some other things that we did to in this pretty much month of August. So, this is just really a photo of how much it's gonna be, how the car will look like, and still the car looks so good as well. We ordered the mirror as well. This mirror is new. Reinstall everything as well. The rocker panel as well reinstalled. The molding reinstalled. Of course, all these parts are new from the car. The bumper, we resprayed the rear bumper as well because it got tapped as well. So we resprayed that and it looked really good as well. Everything is else. It's just, I mean, come on. I think if looking at this car in the midday and the sun that's shining, I mean, come on. I think I will not be uh pretty much just be the whole day just staring at my car, which of course I don't want to do that because I actually got to do work and not to get fired. But also the other things as well, just other photos as well, other things as well, such as the hood wasn't aligned, so we took that. We pretty much did some other things as well throughout the time. I didn't have the photo. We did that yesterday as well, and Friday as well. Just realign everything back together. Of course, pretty much that time the mirror wasn't ordered, so that was pretty much how the car was like the whole time in the front, and it looked so good. I think honestly it just turned out so well. Of course, I think there was some other things that we forgot to do, and this is when the car was just like pretty much in the front and just left it there. So we were gonna expect to take everything off and cheat to realign and readjust as well, such as of course the floor, the little shield that goes under the car, under the bumpers. You don't see all the stuff, so that's what we were just really expected to be doing. But as well as some other things such as the door panel wasn't installed because we were just waiting for the mirror to be ordered. But other things as well, such as this. This was the day when we installed the front bumper the first time, and I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty much looking at the car the whole day. But honestly, it was just really it was a fun thing that what we all went through, or we all did, which yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy to believe this rebuild went so successfully, really good. So I was really appreciated that all the things that you know, all the things that I did, well, pretty much my parents did as well, to give me this car and also doing this rebuild and helping them as well. It's super amazing. Another photo. This is when the car was about to get ready to be painted. We just pretty much the fender, the door, the other side as well, the fender and the other side the door, got resprayed as well, and pretty much get sanded, resprayed, and get back to the nice shiny red that it was in the manufacturer. So that's what I did. The hood was resprayed as well. We didn't show the picture of it. It's ended up basically right behind me, but it wasn't there yet as well because it was getting sanded outside as well, and we don't want to get the mess because this is when you're sanding, you can get all that primer and water. Pretty much, you don't want to have that in the spray room, of course. And plus, it's just dirty, so we just want to be a little bit cleaner. But that's what we did as well, which is pretty much covered it with plastic and paper and tape, masking tape, painting paper as well, so as well as covered so we don't get any overspray. But there were some overspray that sneaked up inside the car, and you can see anytime when you open the hood, I can see a little bit of reflections of overspray coming in. And as well, the rim barber got some overspray, but it was pretty simple to take out, which was just pretty much washing the car and taking all that stuff as well. Just the same as well. Other side, this is pretty much a little bit primer in this area as well because the door was actually hitting the fender and it was damaging and scraping the paint off. So we just said basically we know we gotta fix that as well. I think that's pretty much it. And pretty much the last photo here is when the doors, pretty much the door panels from both sides, the door handle, the mirrors were all taken away, and pretty much get ready for pretty much taping and sanding, and just pretty much how the car will be pretty much the last time to be wrecked. So as well, the one thing pretty much we're expecting now is just really if the inspector might give us a check mark for the mirror, because he actually just he actually checked marked the mirror that needs to be replaced. So hopefully we can probably persuade him to pretty much can we just get him expected with everything. Of course, the mirror is kind of pretty much cracked as well. You can't see it in this kind of photo, but you could see just a pretty much a line, or just want to describe it, just a line, a little crack in this, and it's pretty much right in front of the driver's view mirror, the driver's view. So it could be annoying. So of course we're gonna get rid of that replaced, but hopefully the inspector can pass inspection on this vehicle. Then once we do that, we can order the mirror and do that stuff. Of course, the mirror, if you order it aftermarket anywhere, no one has it. You of course you gotta order from the dealership. So we're gonna do that. But also, I think that's pretty much end this video. Of course, 8 minutes. It is well, pretty much about to say 8 minutes of recording, but pretty much just gonna end it. Just pretty much what's going on throughout uh my life and everything. So I know that a lot of people might just maybe understand, maybe not, but I just want to say I really apologize for everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Good day.